वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ जस्ट 5 चैनल। आपकी जानकारी के लिए ये बता दें कि जस्ट 5 पहला ऐसा चैनल है, पहला ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसने कि न्यूमरोलॉजी को आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के साथ जोड़ करके प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्म की है। क्या आप जानते हैं कि आपका डेट ऑफ बर्थ कैन रिवील योर हेल्थ स्ट्रेंथ, आपकी कमजोरियां, आपकी वीकनेसेस और यहाँ तक कि स्ट्रेस पैटर्न, ये सभी आप आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के जरिए देख सकते हैं, सोच सकते हैं, समझ सकते हैं। एंड हाउ न्यूमरोलॉजी कैन हेल्प टू रिमूव दीज प्रॉब्लम्स। इन दिस चैनल health is guided by numbers, protected by AI. This is just not numerology, this is just not AI, this is ancient insight and modern intelligence. बात करते हैं मूलांक 1, जिसका भी जन्म किसी भी महीने की 1, 10 या 19 या 28 को हुआ है, उनका मूलांक 1 है। You are strongly guided by Sun. You carry strong leadership energy, confidence, independent, always ready to take the charge. But constant responsibility can quickly affect your health. Common risk of health जो है वो है frequent headaches, high blood pressure, stress overload, sleep disturbance, and strain on heart. Because you don't like showing weakness, you may ignore the early warning signs. Now, where AI can help you? Smart wearables can monitor your heart rate and BP trends. Sleep tracking apps can show your recovery pattern. Stress sensor can alert you before burnout happen. Neurological advice है: get morning sunlight, follow structured routine, manage ego-driven pressure and schedule rest like you schedule success. Lead your life but protect your health. मूलांक 2, जिसका भी जन्म किसी भी महीने की 2, 11, 20 या 29 को हुआ है, उनका मूलांक 2 है। You are emotionally sensitive, deeply connected to the feelings, you absorb energy of people around you. But this emotional depth can also affect your health. Common tendencies may include anxiety, overthinking, hormonal imbalance, mood swings, sleep disturbance, and emotional exhaustion. Because you feel everything deeply, stress often starts in the mind and then impacts the body. अब AI आपकी कैसे हेल्प करेगा? Mood tracking apps can help you to understand emotional pattern. Guided meditation platform can calm your nerves. Sleep cycle analysis can show why you wake up and late and tired. Hormone tracking tools can bring awareness to monthly fluctuations. Numerological advice है: stay hydrated, practice emotional journalizing, avoid late night overthinking, create calm and peaceful night routine. Your sensitivity is a gift. Just protect your inner balance. जिसका भी जन्म किसी भी महीने की 3, 12, 21 या 30 को हुआ है, उनका मूलांक 3 है। You are creative, expressive and full of ideas. You have love for good food, good company and you celebrate your life. But same love of enjoyment can slowly affect your health. Common tendencies may include weight gain due to irregular eating, liver stress from overindulgence on food, sugar craving, digestive issues. Inconsistency in exercise because you enjoy freedom, discipline. This can lead to some problems in the health. This is AI becomes your accountable partner. Calorie tracking apps can help you to see how you actually consume. Diet planning apps create balanced meal structure. Habit reminder system push you to stay consistent. Activity trackers ensure that you don't skip the workouts. Numerological advice क्या है? Practice discipline in food, exercise regularly, limit sugar and heavy meals, follow the structured routine. Your creativity is your power. Just balance pleasure with discipline for long-term health. बात करते हैं मूलांक 4 के बारे में। किसी भी जातक का जन्म किसी भी महीने की 4, 13, 22 या 31 को हुआ है, उसका मूलांक 4 है। You think differently, you question system, you don't like conventional routines. But आपका irregular lifestyle can quietly disturb your health. Common tendency may include nervous tension, restlessness, sleep disruptions, screen fatigue, and mental burnout from overthinking. You may work intensely at odd hours and ignore natural body rhythm. Now, AI can bring some structural changes in your life to stop these problems. Habit tracking apps help stabilize daily pattern. Blue light monitoring tool reduce digital strain at night. Routine planning apps create consistency in sleep and meals. Screen time alert prevent mental overload. Neurological advices: follow fixed sleep schedule, practice digital detox, go grounding exercise like walking barefoot or deep breathing. Reconnect with nature and calm and your nervous system. Your uniqueness is your strength. Just balance innovation with stability for better health. अब बात करेंगे मूलांक 5 के बारे में। किसी भी जातक का जन्म किसी भी महीने की 5, 14 या 23 को हुआ है, उसका मूलांक 5 है। You have fast mind, restless energy, you love movement, changes, travel and new ideas. But this constant stimulation can impact your health. Common tendency may include digestive sensitivity, irregular eating habits, anxiety, mental stress and burnout cycle from doing too much too fast. Your nervous system is always on, which can exhaust your body badly. Now, AI can help you to stabilize your health. Breathing exercise app can calm sudden anxiety. Micro workout reminder keep you balanced. Focus tracking system prevent mental overload. Screen time alert reduces overstimulation. Numerological advice क्या है? Eat light, frequent meal, avoid excess caffeine and sugar, take structured breaks between the task, create moment of silence in your day. Your adaptability is your strength. Just slow down enough to protect your health. किसी भी जातक का जन्म किसी भी महीने की 6, 15 या 24 को हुआ है, उसका मूलांक 6 है. You are warm, caring, comfort loving. You enjoy good food, beautiful surroundings, emotional harmony. But your love for comfort can sometimes affect your health. Common tendencies may include sugar craving, weight gain from rich food, skin-related issues, hormonal imbalance, and sedentary habit due to relaxed lifestyle. You may prioritize others' happiness but ignore your own physical discipline. Now, AI can help you in a larger extent. Step counter encourage daily movement, hydration, remind keep your body balanced. Diet monitoring app track your sugar intake, wellness tracker to help maintain your consistency. Numerological advices follow the balanced routine, limit excessive sweets, indulgence on food, stay physically active during the day. Remember, your true beauty come with the discipline. बात करते हैं मूलांक 7 के बारे में. किसी भी जातक का जन्म किसी भी महीने की 7, 16 या 25 को हुआ है, उसका मूलांक 7 है. You think deeply, you like to understand life at a deeper level, you are naturally drawn towards spirituality and inner growth. You enjoy spending time alone and think quietly, but too much isolation can affect your health. Common tendency may include overthinking, feeling lonely without realizing it, low immunity, vitamin deficiency, especially vitamin D, and frequent tiredness. Because you live more in your thoughts, you may ignore your body needs. Now, how AI can help? Yes, AI can help you. Vitamin tracking apps remind you about the nutrition gap. Mental wellness platform offer emotional support. Activity reminder encourage sunlight and movement. Sleep tracking app to improve your recovery. Numerological advices spend time in nature, get daily sunlight, stay socially connected and schedule regular health checkups. बात करते हैं मूलांक 8 के बारे में. किसी भी जातक का जन्म किसी भी महीने की 8, 17 या 26 को हुआ है, उसका मूलांक 8 है. You are strong, hardworking and highly responsible. You don't give up very easily. You can handle pressure better than the most people do, but your body may recover slowly. Common tendency may include joint pain, back issues, chronic fatigue, stress from overwork, and long-term health conditions if ignored. You often push yourself too much and delay rest. Now, how AI can help you? Long-term health tracking app to help to monitor your pattern over time. Posture correction apps reduce back and joint strain. Recovery monitoring wearables tracks sleep and muscle recovery. Step counter ensures steady movement without over exhaustion. Numerological advice follow daily stretching routine. Be patient while healing. Avoid overburdening yourself with responsibility. Schedule rest like you schedule work. Your strength is powerful. Just protect it. किसी भी जातक का जन्म किसी भी महीने की 9, 18 या 27 को हुआ है, उसका मूलांक 9 है. You have high energy, high intensity. You are action oriented, bold, passionate. When you decide something, you go all in. But too much intensity can affect your health. Common tendency may include inflammation in the body, frequent injuries due to over exertion, sudden blood pressure spike, heart related issues, anger triggered stress. You move fast, sometimes faster than your body can handle it. Now, how AI can help you? Yes, AI can help you. Heart rate monitor, track your exertion level, activity intensity tracker, prevent overtraining, stress detection tool, alert your BP issues, recovery app, ensure proper rest over workouts. Numerological advices follow cooling diet, practice controlled physical training, avoid extreme workouts, and develop anger management discipline. Now let us understand why artificial intelligence and numerology is powerful together. Numerology reveals your natural tendency. It highlights your strength, stress triggers, and when your health is affecting your health patterns. AI does something equally powerful. It tracks your real-time data. It confirms pattern through measurable insights. When you combine both, you shift from reactive health to predictive health. Instead of waiting for illness to appear, you identify imbalance early. Instead of guessing, you monitor with clarity. This is a preventing intelligence, awareness guided by the number, protection powered by the technology. Now, a small disclaimer by Just 5 team. The system is designed for awareness and lifestyle support. It is not a replacement for medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult the qualified healthcare professional for any medical concern or conditions. Now, at the end, I must say your birth number is not your limitation, it is your health blueprint. And now, with AI, you can have personal health assistance that works 24/7 with you. Ancient wisdom help you to understand yourself. Modern technology helps you to improve yourself. When insight meet intelligence, wellness becomes intentional. If you found this valuable, like, share and subscribe, because the future of wellness is personalized and it has already begun. Thank you.